Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you one last layout that I created using the Begin Story Kit by Ali Edwards. I pulled out some pattern paper that is also Ali Edwards, but it is from the Stars Quarterly Scrapbooking Kit. My idea had been to pair the pattern paper with this 4x6 photo that I added a little piece of ephemera to. I went through the whole video, the whole process, created it, and then changed it all after I turned off the camera. I did not like the gray pattern paper. I felt like it made my spread feel too dark, especially with the plastic phrase that I'm going to put over top of it, which is what I am playing with right now. Side note, there is a protective cover on each of the plastic phrases that came in the Begin Story Kit by Ali Edwards. I didn't know this until just now. So the other ones that I used in my layouts, I may go back and take that film off. More than likely though, I'm just gonna leave it because I'm lazy. But if you have the Begin Story Kit or you play with any other kits by Ali Edwards and you are new to her products like I am, just be forewarned. So now that you know that, moving on, I am using some red line tape to attach the plastic phrase to that gray star pattern paper. As I said earlier, I did not like it so much in the end. It just felt too dark and I wanted to keep the layout light feeling and airy. It's sort of the same as the picture. The picture is very bright and I didn't want it to feel dull. So I ended up taking it apart after I finished this process video. And it was actually really easy to do. I was a little bit concerned that I would ruin the plastic phrase because of the red line tape that I used to adhere it to the paper. It actually came up really easily, maybe because I did it so soon after creating the layout. If I had waited longer, it might have been harder. I don't really know. But I'm happy that it was easy to fix. All I did, and you'll see this at the end of the video, is swapped out the gray pattern paper for just a plain white piece of cardstock. I used textured cardstock to put the plastic phrase over top of. If you can hear a little bit of noise, I'm just letting the dog in right now. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. He wanted to go out and suntan for a few minutes, but he's decided to come back in. So I used white cardstock, and rather than using red line tape to attach it to that white cardstock after said video, I just used the staple to hold it in place, the same staple that I used to staple that pink star to the page. That star is also Ali Edwards. It came from the Stars Scrapbooking Kit as well. And as you can see, I put the plastic phrase at the top of the page in the pocket and then the photo at the bottom. I swapped that as well after this video was complete. Here's my close-ups. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope you were inspired by my video, and I will be back again soon with more layouts using story kits. Bye, guys.